Good morning, YouTubers. Manny here for Manny's How-To Workshop, and coming to you with part 4 of the series of the fence rebuild. So you can see that yesterday we were able to finish putting on the brackets, the supports, and the pickets. And you can see we started over there and made our way all the way down to this side over here, to the right side, and we ended up with like I said, a gap over here on the lowest point of the grade of the backyard, basically from there all the way to that post right there. So what my cousin's gonna do is put or bring up the grade, I should say, over here. I'm going to leave him with some crushed, concrete, stone that he's going to fill in this gap right here, and then he's going to go ahead and grade the rest of it with dirt. He's probably going to have to buy some, because here they have that clay, which is horrible. But anyway, so he's going to grade it up to where what you're going to see underneath all the way across is like a 3-inch gap. And then after that, he's going to take that 1/2-inch by 1/2-inch chicken wire and put it on the bottom of the kick plate. As you can see, the little bit that's exposed on the kick plate, he has a place where he can attach it with the same kind of screws that we use to attach the brackets. And then leave, like I said, only that gap, and it's going to be buried in the dirt also, which will keep critters from trying to crawl through. But it's going to be open enough that if you should get a heavy rainstorm and it starts to wash down, and it'll go right underneath it and right into the right-of-way drain that's behind the fence now. So you can see that all the pickets at the top line up very good. And that was the whole purpose. Make sure everything looks even. We put a line on the bottom also as a reference from that corner all the way to this corner here, and use that to line up the bottom of the pickets. So now he's got let me see if I come over here and stand over here. And you can see how high the fence is, and just by looking up at it, I would say at this point it's about 7 feet. The top of the picket is about 7 feet from the ground, and at the very end it's going to be about 6. Well, the picket's 6 foot tall, so I got it at about, let's see, about 6 inches off the ground. So I'm looking up at the picket right now, and my eye level is right about where my finger is, and you can see how much more you got to the very top. So I'm almost 6 foot. So like I said, it's about 6.5 inches of privacy now that he has. I'm going to see if I can show you the other side real quick. Okay, so I'm standing on a step ladder and trying to give you a view of what it looks like from the back side, because being so high, let's see, maybe you can see better that way, but you can see it looks absolutely perfect from this side as well, and all the way down. And let me bring it back up here, see if I can give you a shot of above the fence. Yep, all the way down to the other end. You can see that it's nice and straight. Like I said, when you do it right, everything comes together. Your measurements are on point. That's what you'll get. You'll get the fence that was professionally done. Looks great, and will be the envy of the other people. This is the right of way, by the way, in back of the fence line. And just to give you an idea of what the other fences look like compared to this one. Alright, you guys, once again, thank you for watching. You see the sun's coming up over here. And as always, please rate, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you thought of this build. And like I said in my previous video, if you want to know exactly how I did everything, send me a comment down below, and I will be glad to go ahead and write down the steps of how I, did everything. But there you go. Completed fence like it's supposed to be. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.